Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can disable like notification sounds on Discord. So like it'll disable like any sounds when somebody like deafens or like they like got out of like a server. You can't like hear, like you won't be able to like hear it. So if you go to user settings and go to notifications and scroll down, as you can see there is this section over here which says disable all notification sounds. So if I turn this on, it will disable like any notification sounds, message, deafen, mute, voice disconnected. Like when somebody joins a channel or like disconnects from the voice channel, you won't be able to hear that. But if you only want to like disable the like message notification, you can just turn this one off. And that is basically how you can disable all notification sounds on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!